People should not be afraid of their governments. Governments should be afraid of their people.
Excuse me, miss.
I'm sorry.
Not yet, you're not. But you will be. The only verdict is vengeance. Vendetta.
Who are you?
I can assure you I mean you no harm.
Gentlemen, I want this terrorist found, and I want him to understand what terror really means.
You. It is you, the ghost of Christmas past. Not tonight.
Our own government was responsible for the deaths of almost 100,000 people. Do you really want to know?
Several party members have been murdered, Chief Inspector.
Are we ready for it?
I want this country to realize that we stand on the edge of oblivion.
I wish I wasn't afraid all the time.
Fear became the ultimate tool of this government.
Getting back at them for what they did to you.
What was done to me was monstrous.
And they created a monster.
I want everyone to remember why they need us.
Violence can be used for good.
Shut up! I don't want to hear your lies! I can't feel anything anymore!
Beneath this mask, there is more than flesh. There is an idea, Mr. Creedy, and ideas are bulletproof.